Got it going on like Donkey Kong. Ooh-wee, shut my mouth, slap your grandma. If you know that song, then you're pretty cool. Check it in today. I just got only a couple of minutes before Lady Travels a Lot starts screaming at me to get in the shower and get ready. We got to get on the road for a little long weekend. Little long, isn't that an oxymoron? Yeah, but that's okay. Little long weekend over in Saugatuck, Michigan, right on the water. We're staying in an Airbnb that's right over a winery. What? That's dangerous. It is, but it'll be a good time. So I got to get rolling. Just wanted to check in with a few thoughts. One, still, excuse me, still messing around at 2.1, which isn't, I'm feeling pretty good where we're poised here as to, again, the potential for a coiled spring is upon us here in this portfolio. But let's look at these charts real quick. We only have one option on the board. That's that $30 put I've had on. This is now completing a 2-week trade. It's at 99%. AGQ is at what? 34. AGQ is at 33.66. It was over 34 right before the market opened. I can close this right now for a penny. What is today? Thursday. How many contracts? 10. It says between 0 and 25. Come on. Let's try to put it on for a penny, take it off if so. Otherwise, does this make me round up? I can't remember. Yeah, so I'm not paying that. I could buy me some wine tonight in Saugatuck. So let's go back to the board and move on to the charts. Bitcoin. So let's see. We put in this line on Monday morning, hold 57.50. It's hit on it how many times now? 1, 2, 3. So far, so good. If you continue this, we put this trend line on also because this is, we had that breakout here on Monday, and it tried to go even higher, but then it was like, nah, I'm not done here. But it did hit down at what we have our floor at. This is basically why this is green, is our bullish floor. If we break back down through that, then we'll just have to take a look at what our next movements would be, probably 56 and then maybe 54 after that. So hopefully we don't even have to consider it, because I'm still looking for this 67K as our next target. And right now we're showing some signs of life. And if you follow that trend line, if we continue it, then we're trying to break out of it again. So hopefully that's the case before this comes into a mean looking triangle. So right there, that's the thought. Silver, it's having a wild whipsaw day already. I mean, look at this. We put this in, I think this was Monday morning also, bullish support at 27.16, and it's tested it twice now. Hopefully that's it. Had a really wild run up pre-market, all the way back down, but now it's trying to head back up, and it is over that 28, which we're looking for a demonstrative stand above 28. Let's take out 28 is what we're looking at. Almost done, sweetie. Told you she was coming up. So she just said in a threatening voice that she wants to leave in 20 minutes. So I got to get rolling. And then what do we got here? USO still looking to take that 77.77 out. We came right down to, what would be a pretty traditional retrace. So now we got a nice gap up, and we need that to continue. Want to try to get out of my UCO with a nice profit very soon. The one thing I missed though this morning, which is just a big error, is the TLT, because I could have gotten out of my TMF trade this before at pre-market, because it's a 24-hour trader on the Robinhood, and it would have been at a nice profit, but I missed that opportunity. And you can see right now TLT is down 1.62%. So we should hold. I would imagine we're going to hold. I don't know what would we hold at. I'll have to look through these. I'll have to look through the numbers here from here to here to here and see where we would need to hold. I would imagine it would be. It's got to be above that 95. I would want to see. But I'm hoping I didn't miss out and have to wait for a whole nother round on TLT. But that's what I'm looking at right now. I want to see this thing get back to 2-1 and above, and then Coiled Spring itself into threatening the 2-2 within the next 2 weeks. So that's what we got. Thanks for tuning in. Won't be around tomorrow. Have a lovely weekend. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.